Hello, this is a message from the QI team.
As we prepare for June's upcoming QI challenge, let's ensure that the location of every call is verified in accordance with department standards. Remember, repeating the location back to the caller does not count as verifying.
Let's talk about the importance of verifying the location provided from our 911 callers. Our top priority is getting help to the correct location. It does not matter how great you are at giving pre-arrivals if you are sending help to a wrong location. To ensure we are sending help to the correct location, it is essential to verify location twice, regardless of the call coming from a landline. Here are the steps on how to verify the location of the emergency. Number 1. Ask the caller for the location. 2. Enter the call into CAD and check the Vesta map to verify that the location being provided by the caller and what comes up on the Vesta map match. Ensure you have a good plot. Number 3. Ask the caller to repeat the address. Do not repeat the address or location back to the caller, as they are most likely in distress and will agree to whatever location you said, regardless of it being correct.
911, what is the address of the emergency? Repeat the address to make sure I have it correct. Is this a house or an apartment? And what's the phone number you're calling from?
As we can see in the previous slide, the caller vigilantly looks at the Vesta map and compares the plot to how it was entered in CAD. She also has the caller repeat the address to verify the location. Remember that just because you get a good plot on CAD from the location you manually entered, it does not mean that the location you entered is correct. It is easy to enter an inaccurate address into CAD and it still be recognized as a valid address by CAD. Vesta Map and RapidSOS are useful to reassuring correct location, given that the caller is on scene. Another important aspect is asking if the location provided is a business, home, or apartment. Remember, apartment numbers are part of the address, and we also need to ask if there's a building number or letter that corresponds. When the incident occurs in a public place, for example, the mall or a park, we want to get an exact location. We can ask specific questions like, which store, by which entrance, or what side of the park. Best thing to do is put yourself in that situation and think, if I needed help to get to me, what specific details would I need to provide for the first responders to find me? Remember, use your tools. RapidSOS is an excellent tool to help verify locations. If the phone number is available in RapidSOS, it will show you where the caller is located, which is helpful if the caller is on scene of where the emergency is happening. RapidSOS also provides what 3 words, which is the easiest way to describe any precise location. It has divided the world into 3-meter squares and gives each one a unique identifier made from 3 words. For example, this is useful if the caller is in a remote area where there's no crossing streets or actual address. Hikers, if they're in the middle of the desert and they call 911 and have the capability of RapidSOS, we'd be able to provide these what 3 words to our units to be able to find the patient. This is the location verification flow. Step 1. What is the location of your emergency? Step 2. Look at Vesta Map always, and RapidSOS if applicable. Step 3. Can you repeat the address or location to make sure I have it correct? Remember, Repeating the address back to the caller does not count as verifying. Step 4. Make sure what you type into CAD, the location the caller is providing, and what is coming up on Vesta Map is the same location. That's if the caller is on scene of the emergency. Step 5. Remember, location, location, location. If we do not know exactly where the emergency is, we cannot send help to where it is needed. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please reach out to your supervisors or the training department.